Well, hello everyone, it's me again, Herrick Kimball behind the camera, out here on a July morning in my mini bed garden. I'm planting some cover crops and I'm pinching away potato bugs down there. And I want to show you something really amazing. This is the beauty of mini bed gardening. You'll notice there's no weeds in the walkways here. When this permanent plastic mulch is put down, 78% of the mini bed garden never needs weeding, but look here. This section here has no plastic. There's some comfrey in the background. I have bluebirds in that box. Love the bluebirds. But look at here, all these weeds. This is what you get. This is what you have to fight against all year long in a conventional garden, but not in a mini bed garden. Not in a mini bed garden. So what I'm going to do today, this morning, is use my hand sickle here to cut these weeds down low, and I will use the top growth, the green top growth, to mulch a pepper mini bed. Then I'll just let it grow some more and cut it again. Weeds make great mulch. That's it, folks. 78% less weeding in a mini bed garden. It's powerfully appealing to me. Hey, I'm back, everyone. I just wanted to show you that I have shorn those weeds down with the sickle, and I have a beautiful pile of nice green weeds here that I'll use for the mulch. Now, these young weeds like this are, of course, full of more nutrition as they break down than would be old and woody weeds. And then along here, I pulled by hand at the seam of this plastic. I have it held in with pins. I don't see any right here, but there are ground pins there, and I pulled up these weeds with the roots, which will also be used as mulch. But there you go. Beautiful, beautiful mulch right from the mini bed garden beds where the weeds grow and the surrounding area.